Hey everyone. As you guys know, Elon Musk introduced Grok AI, an AI model powered by XAI and integrated into X. In this video, I'm going to test Grok AI's image generation capabilities and see how it compares to other AI tools. Let's get started. Open your browser. Search for Grok AI. At the top, you'll see Grok by XAI, click on it. This is the home page of Grok by XAI. Click on Try Grok. If you haven't signed up, it'll take you to the sign up page. If you're already signed in, it will lead you to its home page, where you can ask it anything. As you can see, I'm already signed in. At the bottom, you'll see the option Create Images, click on it. This inserts Draw into the text box. Now, you can either paste your own image prompt or use one of its recommendations. Let's test it out. Within seconds, we have our realistic and high-quality AI-generated image. Unlike ChatGPT, Grok AI provides two outputs instead of one. Click Open to check them out. Click Save. This will open the image in a new tab. Right-click on the image and select Save Image as to download it. Now, let's test a more detailed and longer prompt. Paste the prompt, type Draw at the start, and click the arrow button. Within seconds, another masterpiece is ready. Grok AI also has an amazing image editing feature. For example, it suggests adding golden butterflies. Click on it, and within a few seconds, the image is updated. This is another feature that ChatGPT currently lacks. So, what do you guys think? Which AI do you prefer, Grok AI, ChatGPT, or another tool? Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe because in the next video, I'll compare ChatGPT versus Grok AI versus Google in terms of search capabilities. See you in the next one.